Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
If you're unable to add PayPal as a payment method on Crunchyroll, it could be due to a few reasons: PayPal's account restrictions, lack of sufficient funds, or issues with PayPal's server. Ensure your PayPal account is fully verified and has the necessary funds. If the problem persists, contact Crunchyroll's customer support for assistance, as they may provide specific insights tailored to your account or region.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.